Why don't you just put it where you want it? Can you...
Guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, I am Pat. This is Horseplay, and you are watching Horseplay Motoring. So I'm finally back home. For those of you who don't know, I've been taking care of my mom. She's doing better, so I still have to go trips back and forth, but I don't have to be there 24/7 now. So now I can be home. I can sleep in my own bed, and things are getting a little bit better in that aspect. As you can see, where is it at? Wow, my coordination's all off. Packages on the back of the car. I got some sponsored scent stuff. My trunk right now is full of all the stuff from my mom's garage where I was messing with the car. But let's get into this video and see what I got over here. So guys, in a previous video, I covered where my rear diff was over full and it was leaking fluid. Well, I got it to the proper level because it was about, I don't know, maybe half a quarter more full. As soon as I took the plug out, it started just pouring out. So I don't know really for sure, because when it was filled, the rear end was on jack stands, the pinion was facing down, so I could essentially fill it all the way to the top if that's what it was. And I read online that it's 3 quarts. Apparently ours only takes 2 quarts, so I think I overfilled it by at least a quart. But regardless, after I did that, the leak stopped for a little bit, but then I noticed the other day I was underneath there, I have a small little seep at my pinion sill. So I went and I ordered a new pinion sill. Kind of hard doing this one here. And I got a national sill for the pinion. Now there are 2 different sills. There's one for the inside, one for the outside, and you want to make sure it says rear pinion sill outer. So that means that's the one where the drive shaft goes in. Now, I'm going to do a video on doing this, but Danny Johnson has a great video. Basically, you mark how many threads there are, because there's a preset load on the crush sleeve. So you mark how many threads there are, you mark your nut and your flange. When you take everything off, when you put it back, everything should be the same amount of threads and your mark should line up. That way you know you put it right back at the same preload and everything that it was. But Wholesale Deals sent me a very nice package that I am super excited about. And that is the 8.8 diff cover. Now, this is basically a exact piece of the Ford Racing one, or the SVO. I've seen SVE, just put it upside down. I've seen different brands with it. This one is blank right here, so essentially you could put anything you wanted to. I actually thought about there's a way to use a 9-volt battery and etch aluminum. Thought about putting my own logo here. I don't know yet, but guys, this is a thick, great piece. Look how thick that it comes with a gasket, and it comes with all the bolts and everything you need, which I think is great. You can set your preset on the bearings just like the other ones. Everything feels like it's a good quality. So I don't know if y'all know, but basically you set this on there until the stopper stops on the bearing, and then you want to torque this down to only about 5 to 7 foot-pounds. Majority of the videos I see say 5, some go as high as 7.5, but you do not want to go over that because you can cause premature bearing wear. So it's got the 2 Allens there. I believe these are 25. I will cover that in the video. The only thing I've seen about reviews, and this goes for the SVO one, the SVE one, and the Ford Racing one, is sometimes, not all the time, they come with the inside painted. And people are worried about the gear oil eating this paint and it creating sludge. So a lot of people strip this. I might strip it just because the Most people put RTV on these so they don't leak. But again, that goes with the Ford racing one also. There's been people that's had issue with it leaking here or at the drain plug because they put nothing on the threads. So this is very thick, very good. On the flange itself, it's very flat and machined. Just all around a great quality piece. Now again, this is on Amazon store. It's Wholesale Deals, and I'll leave a link in the description. But guys, there's companies that want over $200 for this rear diff cover. Wholesale Deals has it for like $105. So for under $110, you can get this and the bearing sent to your door. So I thought that was a great deal from Wholesale Deals. Like I said, I will leave a link in the description. And next video, I should be installing that. And I know y'all are eager to get to the nitrous stuff. But guys, I kid you not, things have been so hectic around here as far as getting my life back on track, getting home. Look at my grass. I tried to mow today. My lawnmower, the throttle cable broke. I got it stuck open. I could not get the lawnmower to start. It's just one of them days where whatever can go wrong is going wrong, and I'm trying to make the best of it. But just to show y'all, my trunk is packed with all the tools and stuff that I was using that would normally be in my work area around back and in my back Florida room. So I have to go through and get all this stuff out and get my car cleaned up again, because I cannot stand it looking like this. But that video will be coming. Let's see if I can see real quick. Can y'all see that little bit of moisture there where it comes down? And you can see it's dirty right there on that. That is from the pinion seal seeping where the drive shaft goes in. So, like I said, nitrous videos are coming. I promise, guys. I just have so much going on right now with getting my life back in order. Not to say that it was so much to deal with my mom. It's just the going back and forth and not being home, and my wife trying to depend on one person to get everything done, and her starting a new job. And it was one of them things that just everything hit at once. So I'm not complaining about the situation. It's just a little hectic right now. But I do want to thank everybody that has helped me along the way. And now we can add Wholesale Deals to the list. And keep watching. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. We might have a giveaway coming up soon. We'll have to see about that, see how that goes and where it lands. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much all I had for today. Like I said, I was going to get out here and do something. Yesterday it was pouring rain. Today it's about 90 degrees. And yeah, I got so much to do. Like I said, look at all that. You think that's bad? Let's just do a quick trip real quick. I know you don't care about this, but I have a forest growing in my backyard. The neighbor mowed today. See that perfect line? That's my crap. His is all nice and done. And I need to get on his level. So guys, this is pretty much my review of unboxing the Wholesale Deals diff cover. Like I said, these are 105 and 108 bucks depending on the day. I mean, prices do fluctuate a little, but I will leave a link in the description. Wholesale Deals has the best price that I've seen so far and the best deal, and I'm very thankful for them to send me out one. Like I said, stay tuned. There might be something in the works there, and more videos to come as I get my crap in order. It is hot out here and I'm fat, and that does not help. Anyway, guys, thank y'all for watching, and hopefully y'all catch me next video. Later. Guys, one more thing. In my outro, there is a black silhouette of an SN95 Mustang. The copyrights of that is owned by Rob Martin Design, who give me permission to use that in the outro of my video. Guys, he has these shirts right here. You can go buy them. You can check out Rob Martin Design's website. I'll leave a link in the description. You can check him out on Instagram. You can check him out wherever, Facebook, it doesn't matter. He's got silhouettes, same basic design, but for a bunch of different vehicles, and a lot of people seem to love this design. And if you're looking for custom work, SN95, S580, doesn't matter, PM Performance on Instagram does some great custom work, and he is very particular about his stuff, just like Rob Martin Design. If he wouldn't wear it, it ain't going out. If it's got any small imperfection, it will not go out. He's just picky like that, and I love that. So Rob Martin Design for the silhouette, for custom work, PM Performance. Guys, check them out. Let's support the community, and thank you.
I won't turn around, I done made it this far. Look back now, that wouldn't be too smart. Shoot for the stars even when it gets hard. Put my faith in the Lord with the 60 bars. I won't turn around, I done made it this far. Look back now, that wouldn't be too smart. Shoot for the stars even when it gets hard. Put my faith in the Lord with the 60 bars. I won't turn around, I won't